It's your boy Luch from Untouchable Sounds. I am now selling another set of 12s to one of my buddies here locally. He's getting two D1 12-inch King Series. Nice. I'm actually signing them. He's finally getting himself. He was on some old punch speakers. There you go. Hashtag Untouchable Sounds like we always do. You already know what it is. Hashtag Luch. So there you guys go. He's actually going to go ahead. I'm going to sign the other one as well. Hashtag Untouchable Sounds. Sounds. And then hashtag the famous Luch. Getting him taken care of. So there you have it. Hashtag Untouchable Sounds. Hashtag Luch. That's what it is. Remember, if you guys need anything, look us up on Facebook, Untouchable Sounds. Instagram, Untouchable Sounds. Snapchat, UT Sounds. Hit us up, 1-855-LK Whips. See you guys later. Remember, if you guys need anything, all you have to do is go to untouchablesoundstm.com.